Hey guys, Adam here, and you are going to notice two things really quickly. One, we are not in the Eastwood studio, we are actually at my house in my driveway. Second, the weather is really nice, which means it's finally time to get the winter grime off your daily driver. We have just the thing for that with our daily driver detailing kit, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps to take care of your ride. Alright, so let's start by wetting the car down, getting some soap on it. Now, like many of you, I don't have a pressure washer at home or a foam cannon, but I do have a wash mitt in my hands. So we're gonna go ahead and use our Carnauba wash and wax, dump a little bit in here, and we'll throw our mitt in, get it nice and soapy. Now, a trick I learned from an old detailer was, if you actually fill your water up most of the bucket, instead of just a little bit of water but more suds, it'll stay cleaner longer because it'll take longer for it to get diluted with dirt. So fill your bucket up. And something that's never a bad idea, quarter halfway through the car, spray out your wash mitt. That way you're not just rubbing dirt around all over your car. All right, and with our initial scrub down done, we can go ahead and rinse off the car. And with our car all washed down, next up, we have our wheels. We're gonna use our non-acid wheel and tire cleaner, spray this on, let it sit for a minute, and agitate it with our brush. Tires too, get all the brake dust, road grime off, let that sit. And now we can agitate. This brush is awesome because it can really get into some of these hard to reach areas, and it's sturdy, so it won't bend and break on you. I like to just go spoke by spoke. Way I'm sure I didn't miss anything. These aren't too dirty. I clean it a fair amount. And then give it a thorough rinsing. Now we'll go hit our other three wheels. Fun fact, Cruises have drum brakes in the rear, so not too much brake dust. All right, and now that our wheels are clean and the car is all clean, we can go ahead and wipe it down with our drying towel. This thing's awesome. It's nice and big, dried off without any water spots. And with our exterior done, we're gonna go ahead and jump inside, start vacuuming and wiping down the interior panels, cleaning that up. Then we'll come back outside, do our quick detail, and then finish with our glass. And as a bonus, I can pull the car forward now and open the doors. Our first step is gonna be to get rid of all this trash that somehow manages to end up in these door panels. Now I'm gonna vacuum the rest of the car, but I'm gonna time lapse through it because I'm sure you don't need to know how to vacuum. Ooh, potato chip. All right, with our interior all vacuumed out, we can go ahead and move inside to start cleaning all the interior's hard surfaces. To do that, we're going to use our cleaner and conditioner, a soft brush, and a dedicated microfiber. Oops. Whoopsie. And the reason we do this before the glass cleaner is so that anything we happen to get on the windshield doesn't end up fighting us. We can just wipe it off with the glass cleaner when we're done. And just like we did on the outside, I'm going to work my way from the top to the bottom. And finally, our door panel. And now that our interior's been all wiped down, we can hit the outside with our quick detail to get rid of any remaining water spots or anything like that. Then we'll wrap up with our glass. Don't forget your rockers. Hip hoppers, and everybody all around the world. And finally, we'll wrap up with our glass. Now this kit comes with two different towels for glass. We have the Waffle towel, which is really good for getting some of these hard water spots off, and a nice blue microfiber towel, which is perfect for finishing your glass and getting that nice shine. This car is in pretty good shape. It'll be mostly the blue microfiber towel. I like to go interior first and then work my way outside. And the big thing, make sure you have a dedicated microfiber. And just keep moving around the car. Now we're going to flip to the outside. Make sure you get under your wiper blades. Ow, try not to do that. And just like that, guys, you're done. One of the best parts about doing it at home is you can immediately kick back and hang out. To get all the tools and products you saw us use here, head over to Eastwood.com. Looks good. Not bad.